subject of this video is lists in Office 365. Until now, we've covered lists in Teams and SharePoint sites, but now there is a dedicated application for lists. Just click on the waffle, browse, and you'll see lists. So we have a search box, we have a new list button, we have our favorites. We can click the favorite in the upper right-hand corner to favorite those. And these are lists from SharePoint sites and Teams that we've created in the past with other videos. So let's click on New List. Click on Blank. And there's templates you could choose as well. It's up to you. So I'll give it a name. And then I usually copy and paste and place that in the description. Select a color. You may decide to color code your lists based on your business processes. Let's select the plane. And let's create it under lists as opposed to a site or a team. And then click Create once you've double checked your spelling. Okay, so this will be a travel list. Let's enter some travel destinations and plans. So click New Column. Go with choice so that we can control the data entry. Freeform data entry is very error prone, and it impacts your searching and your filtering and your browsing, sorting. Let's add, let's see, work, play, sanity break, especially during a long winter. And that's good. And play will be at the default. Let's get rid of choice 4. Scroll down, click Save. Okay, let's add another column. Again, choice. Next. Let's call it travel, and then we'll enter choice. A plane, a car, and maybe a bike. Could also be a motorcycle for you motorcyclists out there. And then select the default, click Save. Now let's add one more column. Let's go with a text box. And we'll give it a name, a destination. I could have used a multiple choice or a lookup, but this is simple. So 100 characters, and then click Save. And let's add an item. Enter a title. We can leave the vacation type as it is. Same with travel. And we just need to enter a destination. And I guess it'll be Florida. Let's go with Sarasota. And definitely would go to Siesta Key Beach. Not going to add attachments. Click Create. Let's add one more. Add new item. Enter a title. Spring trip. And destination. How about Vancouver Island? And then we'll click Create. Great. Now we can sort and filter. And we've got a central place for our lists now. Hope you enjoy the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.